Hi, Mami. So this video is para sa mga OFW na gusto mag-avail ng SSS Matben nila. So magbibigay ako sa inyo ng case which is, let's say, December 2026 ang due date. Okay, so check natin ang kanyang EDD, which is December 2026. I'll be using SSS Maternity Benefits Calculator. And then for member type, ang lalagay natin is OFW. And then for maternity case, normal delivery or CS delivery. And then ang due date niya is December 2026. So ang qualifying period nito is July 2025 to June 2026. So ganun din ha, pero iba lang ang due ng OFW Landbase. So ibig sabihin, meron kasi silang, iba kasi yung due date nito compare sa mga self-employed and voluntary. So for example, January to September, ang due date nila is on or before December the same year, or on or before December 31 the same year. And then yung October to December naman, ang due date nito is January 31 the next year. So yun yung cycle ng contribution nila. Pero for example nga, dito sa ginawa natin, ang EDD niya is December 2026. So qualifying period niya is July 2025 to June 2026. So paano yung magiging setup nito? Meron pong limitation si SSS for Matben. So ibig sabihin, kahit na ang due date mo is December 31, the same year, kailangan mabayaran mo pa rin siya within qualifying period. So for example, nag-request si Mima kung pwede niyang mabayaran yung January 2026 niya. So pwede niyang mabayaran yung January 2026 niya until June, pero kailangan on or before June, masettle niya na or mapay niya na yung contribution niya. Huwag mo ipa-follow yung December 31 mo, kasi pag pinalo mo yun, possible late payment na. Yun yung limitation for SSS Matben for OFW Landbase. So para sa mga gusto magpa-estimate or magpa-calculate ng kanilang Matben, comment lang your EDD and your month contribution para ma-check natin siya. I'll respond as soon as possible, and please make sure to subscribe into my channel para if ever may bago tayong update, ma-notify kayo.